Sarah Ferguson just can't seem to catch a break. Just as she is dealing with the stress of leaving Royal Lodge, she's been hit with a massive new financial blow. Reports say Fergie is facing a scary legal bill after her old company, Gate Ventures, collapsed with losses of nearly 19 million British pounds. She was a director there, and now liquidators are looking to recover money, which means she could be stuck with huge legal costs. It adds to a really long history of money struggles for her. From past business failures to that whole Epstein mess, it's honestly a heavy situation for her to handle right now. Do you think she's just unlucky with money, or does she need better financial advisors? Let me know in the comment section.